Lesson: AI applications in threat detection and prevention. Artificial intelligence plays a transformative role in cybersecurity, particularly in threat detection and prevention. AI's capabilities in this domain are crucial due to the increasing complexity and volume of cyber threats. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately makes it indispensable in identifying and mitigating potential risks. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications of AI in threat detection and prevention, providing professionals with the knowledge to enhance cybersecurity measures effectively. AI applications in threat detection leverage machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and anomalies in network traffic, user behavior, and system logs. These algorithms can be trained on historical data to recognize known attack vectors and anticipate new, previously unseen threats. For instance, supervised learning models can classify network packets as benign or malicious, while unsupervised learning models can detect anomalies that may indicate novel attack methods. A practical tool that exemplifies this is Splunk, which utilizes machine learning to provide real-time threat intelligence and anomaly detection, allowing security teams to respond swiftly to potential incidents. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, further enhances threat detection by analyzing complex data sets and recognizing intricate patterns. Convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks are commonly used in cybersecurity applications for their ability to process large volumes of data with high accuracy. CNNs can analyze network traffic patterns, while RNNs can predict user behavior and detect deviations indicative of threats. A case study involving the use of deep learning for detecting phishing websites demonstrated significantly improved accuracy over traditional methods, underscoring the potential of AI in cybersecurity. AI-powered tools like Darktrace employ unsupervised learning to create a baseline of normal network activity and identify deviations that may signal a cyber attack. By continuously monitoring and analyzing data flows, Darktrace provides actionable insights into potential threats, allowing organizations to preemptively address vulnerabilities. This approach is particularly effective in detecting insider threats and zero-day exploits, where traditional signature-based methods fall short. In addition to detection, AI plays a vital role in threat prevention. Predictive analytics can forecast future cyber threats by examining trends and patterns in historical data. Tools such as IBM Watson for cybersecurity utilize natural language processing and machine learning to analyze vast quantities of unstructured data, including security blogs and research papers, to predict emerging threats and recommend preventive measures. This capability enables organizations to stay ahead of attackers by implementing security patches and updates proactively. AI frameworks, like MITRE ATT&CK, provide a comprehensive knowledge base of adversary tactics and techniques, which can be integrated into AI systems to enhance threat detection and prevention. By mapping detected anomalies to known attack patterns, AI systems can provide context to security analysts, improving incident response times and reducing false positives. This approach has been instrumental in several high-profile cybersecurity operations, where rapid identification and mitigation of threats were critical to minimizing damage. A crucial aspect of implementing AI in threat detection and prevention is the integration of AI systems with existing security infrastructures. Security information and event management systems, such as Splunk and IBM QRadar, can be augmented with AI capabilities to enhance their effectiveness. By incorporating machine learning algorithms, these systems can automatically correlate and prioritize security alerts, reducing the burden on security teams and enabling them to focus on high-priority threats. This integration not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the overall security posture of an organization. Despite the significant advantages of AI in cybersecurity, challenges remain. One major concern is the potential for adversarial attacks, where attackers manipulate input data to deceive AI models. To mitigate this risk, organizations must implement robust model validation and testing procedures, ensuring that AI systems can withstand such attacks. Additionally, explainable AI techniques can provide transparency into AI decision-making processes, enabling security analysts to understand and verify AI-generated insights. To enhance proficiency in AI applications for threat detection and prevention, professionals should engage in continuous learning and practical experimentation. Online platforms such as Coursera and edX offer courses on AI and machine learning and cybersecurity, providing hands-on experience with real-world datasets. Additionally, participating in cybersecurity competitions like Capture the Flag events can sharpen skills and foster innovation in developing AI-driven solutions. Organizations must also foster a culture of collaboration between AI and cybersecurity teams. By working together, these teams can develop tailored AI models that address specific security challenges and optimize threat detection and prevention strategies. Regular training sessions and workshops can facilitate knowledge sharing and ensure that all team members are proficient in leveraging AI tools and frameworks effectively. In conclusion, AI applications in threat detection and prevention are essential components of modern cybersecurity strategies. By leveraging machine learning, deep learning, and predictive analytics, AI systems can identify and mitigate cyber threats with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Practical tools such as Splunk, Darktrace, and IBM Watson for cybersecurity, along with frameworks like MITRE ATT&CK, provide actionable insights that enhance threat detection and prevention capabilities. Despite challenges, including adversarial attacks and the need for explainability, AI's potential in cybersecurity is vast. By integrating AI into existing security infrastructures and fostering collaboration between AI and cybersecurity teams, organizations can significantly enhance their security posture and safeguard against evolving cyber threats.